Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide apps on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you have some sensitive application on your iPhone, like your banking application or maybe VPN, and now you want to hide them on your iPhone, then this is what you simply need to do. Locate the application you want to hide on your iPhone, press and hold it, then you should see this menu pops. On the menu, locate and click on require passcode. Then you should say require passcode, hide and require passcode. Click on hide and require passcode. Then go ahead and verify your Face ID or type in your code. Once type in your passcode, spot that says hide app. Click on that to hide the application. Repeat this on all other applications you want to hide on your iPhone, and then you'll be able to hide any application on your iPhone. You see that? So the application will be hidden. To find hidden application on your iPhone, all you need to do is scroll to where you say app library. Under your app library, scroll down until you say hidden at the bottom right. Click on it once, then verify your Face ID or type in your passcode. Then click on it. Then you should be able to see all your hidden application in the folder, just like that. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to hide apps on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.